Morning, guys. This morning I got to this my favorite spot. Got my Eco River Max 2 power station and a garage LED shop light. Just mullet bait, tackle bag. That's how I protect my EcoFlow River Max for my light. Just fishing with 3 rods. Got some small bite on that small rod. Here we go on the middle rod. Having some breakfast right now. Hawaiian bread. This is on a 30-pound braid, and the other 2 rod I have 60-pound braid on it. So there's a boat coming up. Usually the fish only bite when the boat passing by. That's how you get a bite when fishing in the Mississippi River. I have a friend fishing down there, and the boat already passed him, and he got 4 rods out, and he already have a bite. So boat is coming up to me. As the boat come close, I see the pole on the far left getting some bite right now. Wow, that's a big boat. It's like 5 boat tied together. Wow, that's huge. Closer look. Wow, that's pretty long. How they transport all these heavy stuff. It's like a whole town moving. Dang, that's pretty big. It's crazy. It's like 5 by 5 and by 3 unit, like they tie all together. That's pretty cool. Wow, next level. That's huge. Like a I don't know if this is bigger than a Titanic or not. I imagine how big the Titanic is, but this is huge. Wow, it's pretty amazing to see this. And they have a towboat back there help pushing all these containers. Not sure what they are transporting. See how big this is, and I think a Titanic is about this size maybe, but that is pretty big boat as well. But this one is probably 10 times bigger. Crazy. I just reeled in another catfish here. It's about the same size earlier. Let's see how much this guy weighs. Oh, he's bigger than the one before, 3 pound and 3 ounce. Not bad. This hook remover works pretty well. I love it. From Academy for like $2, I think. Here's all the fish that we got today. 3 big one and 3 smaller one. This one about 2 pound and another 2.5 and 3.5 pound on the bottom. I'm gonna weight these and see how much they weigh. So we already removed the gut and stuff from it, so it's gonna be a little bit less. Okay, let's see. This guy is 13 pound. Let's see. This other fish is close to 13 pound, 12 and 11. This one is 11 pound, 11 and 12, 13, 11 pound, 13 ounce. So in total we have about 40 pounds.